Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make that authentic Buka stew. You know that yeah, bisirat, bisirat stew. Today I'm going to be carrying you guys along on how to make it. That stew that you buy on your way to work in the morning. That yummy stew that smells so delicious. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make it. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing. And do not forget to hit on that bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. And do not forget to like this video, comment and share. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You are highly welcome to this amazing family. So guys, without wasting much time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. These are the things I'll be using to prepare this stew. I have my crayfish. I'm not using lots of crayfish because I don't want the crayfish to overpower the taste of the stew. So I'm just using a little crayfish, and this is the quantity of crayfish I'll be using. I have my chopped onions here. This is the only onions I have at home, but you can make use of much onions if you want. And here I have my tomatoes, my tatashi, pepper and shombo with my onions, my ginger and garlic blended together. I have my cooked beef here. It's frozen. I'm using chicken too. I have my cooked chicken. It's frozen too. And guys, I'll be using vegetable oil and red oil for this recipe. You get to see the rest of the things as we go on. So first of all, in a dried pot, I'll be going in first with my vegetable oil. I'm using half cup of vegetable oil, and then I'll still be using the same quantity of red oil. That's half cup of vegetable oil, half cup of red oil. And then I'm just going to allow this to heat up and before going in with my next ingredients. And once the oil is hot now, I'll be adding in my onions. I'm going to allow the onions to fry until it has released its beautiful flavor into the oil, and then I will come back to adding the next ingredients. So now I'm going to be adding in my tomato and pepper mix. That's my blended tomatoes, tatashi, pepper, shombo, onions, garlic and ginger. I'm just going to allow this to fry. You know, the sweetness of this stew is to allow your pepper mix to fry very well. I'm going to cover the pot now, and then I will allow this to fry. And guys, our pepper has been frying, though it has not fried. It has not really fried. Now I'll be adding in my seasonings. I'll be going in with my seasonings now. Pepper have not really fried that much. Okay, I'll be adding in my seasonings now. I'll go in with my seasoning cube. It's always good to maintain a very good hygiene when you are in the kitchen. Okay, always wash your hands at interval. Like, I can't even count how many times I wash my hands in the kitchen. I'll be going in with salt now. And then I'll be adding in my crayfish. I'm just going to stir this to properly combine. And then I'll be adding in my proteins now. I'll be going with my beef and my chicken. So the chicken is still frozen. I'm just going to cover the pot, allow this to fry or cook for a few minutes before I'll come back to stir this properly. So guys, it's time to check on the stew. The chicken is defrosted. I'm just going to properly mix this very well. So now I'm going to cover the pot, allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let me say 5 minutes max, and then we are going to come back. Our stew has fried. So you can see the stew has fried much. You know that your pepper mix is ready when your oil starts to float at the top, just like this. I'm going to mix this now, and then I'll go in with my chicken stock. And I'm going to be stirring this to combine everything together. At this point, guys, the aroma in this kitchen, the aroma in this kitchen is divine. To all you my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support me. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. So guys, I'm going to cover the pot now, and I'll allow this to fry for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes, and then we'll come back. 10 minutes later, this is what we have. Our delicious stew is ready. If you have watched this video up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Guys, this stew came out so yummy, so delicious. And please guys, do not forget to always watch my ad. Okay, don't skip the ad. And this is what I'll be enjoying my stew with. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends, share to your family. Thank you guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.